Hello friends, welcome you all to Deepa's YouTube channel. Let's start our bridge course activity 17, Proverbs. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the learners would be able to first to understand the proverbs with the help of examples provided. Second, answers the question asked before, while and after reading. Dear friends, you can take help of your teachers, family members, parents, and facilitator. Let's see instructions for students. First, look at the pictures carefully. Second, try to answer the questions asked before, while, and after the activity. Let's start learning activity. A proverb is a simple, concrete, traditional saying that expresses a perceived truth based on common sense or experience. Let's see when to use a proverb. You can also use proverb in formal essays, but it's best to do so only if you intend to challenge or complicate them in some way. Because proverbs are so general and drawn from the border culture. They don't fit in well with two of the main goals of formal writing: specify and originality. Let's start learning activity. The first proverb we are going to study is better late than never. Let's see its meaning. It is better for somebody or something to be late than never to arrive or to happen. It is better to do something late than to not or never do it at all. It is better to arrive late to an event than not to show up. Let's see how to use this proverb. All of us have been waiting for you for 2 hours, but better late than never. I know that it took me weeks to send the letter, but better late than never. Next proverb is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's see its meaning. Basically, the phrase is not meant to be taken literally. The idea this proverb is expressing is that eating healthier can help you to keep the doctor away. Earlier, Suman was not ready to eat apples, but now, when she had to eat lot of medicines, she understood the meaning of the proverb. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's see example. Asha has a friend who rarely gets sick, and when she does, she handles it well. So Asha asked her, "How are you so healthy?" Well, her friend said, "As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I drink plenty of water, I eat fruits and vegetables during the week, and I make sure to get enough sleep." Next proverb is united we stand, divided we fall. It means it is better to stick together. We all know that unity is strength. Unity is of great value in every walk of life. If there is unity among people, then their strength increases. So the proverb emphasizes the importance of unity, uses a metaphor of standing to mean success, uses a metaphor of falling to mean failure, states that success depends on unity, states that failure comes from division. Let's see example. Rohan asked Mohan, "Do you know that the strongest rope is made from binding together hundreds of weak threads? Those can be easily broken even by a child." Whenever I see a rope, I remember this phrase: united we stand, divided we fall. Rohan added further, example 2, a group of wild dogs is known to have overpowered even a tiger. Because of their unity, it is true that united we stand, divided we fall. Next proverb is two wrongs don't make a right, meaning said the emphasize that it is not acceptable to do something bad to someone just because they did something bad to you first. Example, I know your brother hit you, but don't hit back. You know, two wrongs don't make a right. Ramesh was very rude to Anna, so Anna was rude to Ramesh. I understand her, but two wrongs don't make a right. Let's see some pictures of the proverb which you are familiar. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A true friend is a person who will help you when you really need help. Another proverb is two heads are better than one. When two people cooperate with each other, they are more likely to solve a problem than one person doing it alone. You snooze, you lose. It is better to act or deal with problems immediately. If you wait, things will get worse. Let's see some proverb on cricketers, animals, and hospitals. My job is to perform, enjoy cricket, and thank God for whatever He has given me. This proverb is by Suresh Raina. I have failed more times than I have successful, but I never give up and will never give up till my last breath, and that's what cricket has taught me. This proverb is by Yuvraj Singh. By animal, a friend is one who knows you and loves you just the same. Anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. Animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no question, they pass no criticism. Some animals are more caring than some human. A proverb by hospitals, a good health is the best wealth. Nursing is a work of heart. Let's have some other proverb. Tell me or write some other proverbs from your side and send me some pictures. Use the above proverb in your own sentences. Write it and send it to me. Let's see proverb of the day. Where there is will, there's way. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. We can use different proverb on different occasion, just like an hour in the morning is worth two in the evening. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe it and like it so that you will get notification of new video in English.